Welcome to Investor Web, the channel dedicated to your financial empowerment and investment prowess. It's a place where we explore the vast world of finance, from the simplest savings strategies to the most complex investment portfolios. Today we're going to embark on a unique journey as we uncover the top 10 things money can buy. Now you might be thinking, well, money can buy almost anything, right? But we're not just talking about material possessions here. We're talking about the things that not only enhance our lives, but also have the potential to bring about profound changes. We're talking about investments that can make a real difference in our lives and perhaps even in the lives of others. So buckle up, because we're about to uncover some fascinating insights into what your hard-earned money can truly accomplish. With no further ado, let's delve into the world of 10 things money can buy. First on our list, education. It's the foundation of personal growth and societal progress. No matter where we look around the globe, from the bustling streets of London to the serene landscapes of Kyoto, the value of education is universal. It holds the key to unlocking a world of opportunities, enabling us to shape our lives and the world around us in profound ways. Quality education, however, comes with a hefty price tag. From primary school to higher education, the cost of learning can be staggering. But consider this: every pound spent on education is an investment towards future earning potential. It's a long-term game where the returns are not just monetary, but encompass a wider sphere of life. Education equips us with knowledge, skills, and the ability to adapt to changes. It fosters creativity, encourages critical thinking, and instills a sense of responsibility. In essence, investing in education is investing in a brighter future. So, when we talk about things money can buy, we must underscore the value of education. Second on the list is real estate. Owning property is more than just a status symbol. It's a smart investment that can generate steady income and grow in value over time. Imagine owning a charming apartment complex or a series of commercial buildings. Not only do these properties provide a roof over your head, but they can also become a source of rental income. Now, let's talk about appreciation. Like a fine wine, good property often increases in value with time, especially in thriving areas. This appreciation can boost your wealth in the long term, even as you benefit from the immediate income from rentals. Moreover, real estate is a tangible asset. It's there, it's real, you can see it, touch it. Unlike stocks, which can be volatile and abstract, real estate offers a sense of security and stability. Real estate can be a tangible testament to your financial success. Coming in third, we have travel. It's often said that money can't buy happiness, but it can certainly buy experiences, and for many, experiences are a key ingredient to joy. Travel provides a unique opportunity to broaden one's horizons, to delve into the unfamiliar, and to embrace the richness of humanity's diverse cultures. Every journey, every destination, every new face brings with it a story, a learning, a memory. From the hushed whispers of ancient ruins to the bustling vibrancy of modern metropolises, from the tantalizing flavors of exotic cuisines to the soothing serenity of untouched nature, travel is a treasure trove of experiences that money can unlock. These aren't just vacations or getaways. They are opportunities to grow, to understand, to live. The joy of exploration, the thrill of discovery, the peace of solitude, and the warmth of connection. These are priceless. Investing in travel is investing in life experiences. Our fourth point is health. Health, as we all know, is the true wealth. It's the cornerstone of a fulfilling life and a fundamental asset that money can purchase. From routine checkups to preventative care to advanced treatments, all come with a price tag. Yet these expenses are not burdens, but rather investments in our well-being. Think about it. By allocating funds towards maintaining good health today, we can potentially save ourselves from hefty medical bills in the future. A well-rounded health insurance plan, regular fitness routines, balanced nutrition. These are all aspects of health that money can buy, and they contribute to a better quality of life. Moreover, money can grant access to the latest medical innovations and cutting-edge treatments, ensuring you get the best care possible. In essence, when we talk about investing, we aren't just referring to stocks and real estate. Investing in your health is as crucial as any financial venture. Investing in health is truly investing in life. We've covered some of the most important things money can buy, but the list is endless. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned today. Education is an investment in yourself, and it's the foundation for a prosperous future. It's the key that unlocks countless opportunities and a cornerstone for individual growth. Real estate, on the other hand, is a tangible asset that can appreciate over time. It provides shelter, generates income, and is a significant part of wealth accumulation. Then we have travel, which broadens our horizons. It's an investment in experiences and memories that enrich our lives, providing us with a global perspective and a deeper understanding of the world. Finally, health. Nothing is more valuable than good health. Investing in it ensures a quality life free from unnecessary ailments. It's the ultimate investment in longevity and happiness. Remember, wise investment decisions can pave the way to a prosperous life. Thank you for joining us on Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this.